Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something exciting and potentially lucrative: how to buy an auction house in 2025. If you're an investor, entrepreneur, or just curious about real estate and business opportunities, this guide is for you. By 2025, the auction house market is evolving with advanced tech like AI-driven bidding systems and stricter regulations, so let's break it down step by step to make sure you're prepared. First things first, start with thorough research. Dive into the market. Check out current trends, property values, and competition in your area. In 2025, online tools and virtual reality tours will make this easier, allowing you to scout auction houses from anywhere. Look for ones with strong reputations or unique features, like those specializing in art or real estate auctions. Next, secure your financing. Buying an auction house isn't cheap, so explore options like bank loans, investors, or even government grants focused on business revitalization. By 2025, green financing might be big, so if the property has eco-friendly upgrades, that could lower your costs and attract better deals. Now, don't skip due diligence. This means getting a professional inspection, reviewing financial records, and consulting lawyers to handle any legal hurdles, such as zoning laws or intellectual property rights. In 2025, expect new regulations around digital assets, so ensure the auction house complies with emerging tech standards. Once you're ready, make your offer. Negotiate smartly. Be prepared to haggle on price, terms, and even post-purchase support. Finally, close the deal by finalizing contracts and transferring ownership. Remember, after the purchase, focus on marketing and modernization to thrive in 2025's digital landscape. Buying an auction house can be a game changer, offering steady income and growth potential. If this sounds like your next move, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and let's turn your ideas into reality. See you in the next video.